It'll be a great surprise to discover something sweet underneath. Today we're going to make a delicious breakfast, and if you have some time on a Sunday or a Saturday, then you could make a wonderful breakfast for your children, for your family, and for yourself. I chose kiwis, pineapple, some bananas, oranges, and here we got some delicious greens with capuchin flowers. They're very pretty. You're probably asking yourself why I chose kiwis, bananas, and a pineapple. It's because they're full of magnesium. And if you like working out as much as I do, then you constantly need a lot of magnesium. You constantly need to keep refilling on magnesium, because if you get a magnesium deficiency, believe me, it's no fun. No fun at all. Your muscles start jumping around and doing things you don't want them to do. That's why we need loads of magnesium. Bananas, kiwis, pineapple are full of magnesium, and so are the dark leafy greens, which we have here. Now we can prepare our delicious breakfast. Let's do it now. Our breakfast is ready to enjoy. Look at this beauty. Isn't this amazing? A Rawking lifestyle is just so beautiful. It's so colorful, delicious, wonderful, abundant. I could go on for hours and hours and hours. So I took 6 kiwis, 1 banana, 1 orange, half a pineapple, some greens, and here these beautiful capuchin flowers. I love them. If you're very, very hungry and you just got back from a long workout, then this would be 1 portion. But otherwise, you could make 4 plates out of this for your family, and it would be 4 portions for your whole family to enjoy. This is beautiful. Children love it. I don't know whether your children love green, and that's why I didn't put too many greens here, because if they're not used to eating greens just like that, then it might scare them off. If they love greens, then add more greens on top of your magical platter. It'll be a great surprise to discover something sweet underneath. If your children are not used to eating greens, then you can slowly but surely start adding more and more greens to their food, or you can start making them green smoothies. Children love those. Green smoothies are great. This beautiful breakfast is full of magnesium. It's great for children, for adults, for athletes. It's just perfect for everyone. It's a beautiful start into a day. Imagine starting your day like this, with these amazing colors. Or you could surprise your loved one and give them some breakfast in bed. How about that? That's a great surprise, isn't it? If you plan to make this breakfast for yourself and for your family soon, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.